In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Nest app not working. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting to your network, since the Net app relies on a strong connection to communicate with your devices. Next, completely close the Nest app from your recent app screen and reopen it to refresh the connection. After that, head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Nest. Once app appears, click on it. Now if you see the option of update, click on it, as outdated versions can cause loading, login, or connection problems. You should also restart your device and your Nest device, such as your camera or thermostat, to refresh both systems. If the app still is not working, go to your phone settings, then navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage, find the app Nest, launch it, click on Offload app, confirm it, wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. Next, head back, go to the option Bluetooth. Make sure you have enabled Bluetooth as well as location services, especially if you are setting up a new Nest device. Another thing to check is whether you are signed into the correct Google account linked to your Nest devices. Sometimes logging out and back into the app can fix syncing issues. If nothing works, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. That's it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.